I'm Mateo with Command Access, and today we're going to be talking about our newly revised MLRK1 FAL-25, which is our motorized latch retraction kit for the Falcon 24 and 25 series. We've made quite a few updates, so make sure to check out our overview video. Always comes with a built-in request to exit, added on at no extra charge. So let's jump into the installation. Start off by removing the head cover, and we're going to remove our 2 screws here so that we can slide off the housing. Then I'm going to remove this screw so that we can take off the dogging assembly. And we're going to use the dogging assembly to attach here so we can see that we have this roll pin going across on the back activating bracket. We're going to drop this hook on this back roll pin right here, but we're going to make sure if your device has dogging, then we still have this post here. If we come on this side of the post, our holes aren't going to line up, so we're going to come on the right side of the post and drop in there. We should be able to flip it over and see our holes line up right there on the back. We're going to grab our screw provided, install it in there, and flip it back over now. And we're ready to reinstall. The head cam part, make sure that you put the space rail connector back onto the head so that when pushed down, it retracts the latch or latches. The wings of our motor kit are going to slide right into that bottom channel. Going to make sure those are centered. That'll help stabilize the kit. Then we can add back on. So now we're going to come back to the back of the device. We have 2 set screws, so we're going to put these 2 set screws on the side. So make sure the rec switch is out of the way. So we're just going to tighten those to lock in both sides. Alright, now that kit's nice and secure. I'm going to go ahead and grab my field tester and our Molex pigtail. Pop that in there and make sure I'm at 24 volt and fire it off. Now I'm going to set my push to set, press the red button, apply power, get short beep, release power, release the button. Now I'm going to press the pad down to where I want it to retract to. So I do about 100% and then release about 2 to 3%, apply power, get a long beep, and release power, and I can refire to my newly programmed location. And since this comes with a built-in request to exit, if you want to test your rec switch, you can always do that. We're going to do normally open for our blue, and green is common. So as we depress the bar, you can see that rec switch is triggering. And if you do have a device with dogging, we do supply the plug, so you can always plug that hole. This is actually an AX device that we're testing on right now. So we can see that one of the improvements that was made on this kit is the spring assist, allowing us to work on mechanical devices like the AX that have the 5 pounds of spring pressure. And remember, instructions always provided. You got your QR code to watch this installation video. And you can always scan the QR code on the back of our motors to go to our instructions or installation video. So thanks, my friends. That was another successful installation.